Today was amazing. The conversation was just so deep and everybody was communicating with each other. It wasn't just sitting there listening to one person talk. The whole room was talking with each other and it was just a great time.
Like once again, every time we come, it's like a family. We're here from wide and short, coming to learn and to just teach each other how to grow our business. And every year it just gets better and better.
Yeah, it was great. I see a lot of familiar faces, a few new faces. It was really great. Every year I come here, I've been here for several years now, I always seem to learn something new, and just the networking is awesome, and you just bounce these ideas off each other and just learn from each other. And excited to take it to my business. And I brought my little partner here, Nathan. What'd you think of it?
It was good. It's my first time here, and it's just really good with everybody sharing everything they've been experiencing.
This is my second year at the conference, and after I came last year, I told myself that this is an event that I have to attend every year because I learned so much coming here, so much information and great networking with all the other detailers, and Nick and his team have just been awesome.
I'd like to agree that it's a great opportunity to learn and to meet other people in the community and just figure out what's going to work best for us all.
It's great, man. I soaked in a lot of information that I was expected to soak in today. I'm like a sponge, you know, great guys, great environment, great people, great networking. I learned a lot about marketing, and I learned a lot about the end of the year upcoming with the winter and stuff like that. You know, with the winter coming, it poses threats towards our pockets. But with us being tied in as a group, we can overcome that. So this is great for the fourth quarter.
The conference here, man, is great. I've been here probably about 3 or 4 times now, and you know, every time it's great knowledge, you know, great new products that are coming into the market, making our job easier and more efficient, and just in general, the knowledge we share as detailers, you know, between ourselves and helping each other grow and you know, learning things that we don't know, or new technology that's out there that somebody else has figured out and we haven't. So it's always great to be here, and it's always a great learning experience.
It was awesome. This is my 3rd year attending, and each year I come back because I keep getting something from it. If you're a licensee and you haven't joined us in a while, please come and join us. If you haven't been part of the program yet, you're missing out on quite a bit, because it's a great opportunity to network with others, build relationships with other detailers in other states. You know, they may be able to kick something your way, you're going to kick something their way to help them out. So it's always a good time.
I come back time and time again for all the training because they continuously give us new ideas and new tools to operate my business. Without Detail King, I wouldn't have been able to do it, I don't think, not as efficient and skillfully. Coming to the conference was an important thing. This is my first year, and I feel like we took a lot from the other detailers who gave us other viewpoints on, you know, product and the job itself.
Back in 2015, I initially was trained here at Detail King. Last year was my first year as being an authorized licensee, and I can't tell you how much regret I had not becoming a licensee back in 2015. Every year I've come here, the amount of expertise and advice that I get has just helped my business grow tremendously. Invest in your education. Detailing is a very important part. Make your money. Invest in your education. Detail King has got your back. Become a licensee. You will have no regrets.
It's a great conference. Great being able to see, get connected with old friends again, and also to network with other fellow detailers in the industry. So it's a great conference.
Definitely be coming back every other year. Like, you learn so much from talking to all the other licensees and learning new marketing materials and all kinds of new products that you come out with. It's just all around great fun. Nick and you guys are 100% the best people that could be backing anybody. anybody that's looking to be a licensee, I would suggest you do it now and don't wait.
Today was very enlightening. I learned a lot of things, and I'm so intrigued by most of the equipment that Detail King have now, and especially most of their new products. I think that I'm really impressed that Detail King goes all the way to make sure that most of their products and equipment save our time, which is pretty much what a detailer actually wants. You really want to save time and do more cars. So I'm really impressed at what they have today. I really learned a lot. Like, I was just jotting down and a lot of ideas were flowing in. I mean, I've been in this business for 10 years, so I'm really impressed. Detail King has been great.